YouTube, what's good? An exclusive right now with your man Jay. First look, first one on YouTube, the Sopiguard skin for the Galaxy A51. Yes, they are here. Now they're coming out at the recording of this video. They're not out yet, so if you're watching this prior to the launch, just know that I got the exclusive. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Shout out to Sopiguard for hooking up the skin. Folks, they're gonna have skins like crazy. I just chose the silver honeycomb. You already know how I get down with the honeycomb joint. So be sure to keep checking Sopiguard.com to see when you can get yours. They should be releasing soon. But let's get this thing popping here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is wipe it down with my Sopiguard microfiber cloth. And I'm gonna start with the camera module. Looking good to me. Now let's get that beautiful silver skin on. Oh my goodness. Folks, you no longer have to wear a case if you don't want to. Sopiguard has got you covered, man. So again, be sure to keep checking Sopiguard.com for the official launch of the skins for the Samsung Galaxy A51. This thing is ready now. Now I chose the silver because I have the silver version of the phone, and it has like the chrome sides or whatever. So I thought this would be a good look, and obviously the honeycomb. Once again, shout out to Sopiguard for supplying me all the time, and I appreciate the support that they do for the channel, which is why I like their products. Before they supported the channel, I bought their products, and here we are, 2020. The Galaxy A51 has taken over the YouTube, man. It has taken over the internet, and I'm sure the A71 will do the same. So if you're wondering, they are gonna have skins for the A51, A71, S10 Lite, and the Note 10 Lite. So they're pretty much all this same format, so it'll be easy for them. I like that this goes right around, no wrap around. I'll heat this up and get it sealed up tight. So if I do take it in and out of cases, it won't mess up and peel. Their skins are very high quality, man. I'm not just saying that because, again, I've been buying them since before the sponsors of sending me skins for review. So this is a quality company. I choose them over everybody else because they ship fast, like really fast. I've done a video on why I'm not using D-brand and slick wraps anymore, especially slick wraps. Horrible service. They ship fast and they have quality products. So I've got a Sopiguard skin on several phones, man, and it's just a beautiful. The honeycomb is like my top choice. The color shift used to be, but it didn't have any grip, and they only had like the matte version. So I really, really, really like the honeycomb in any color. I have a blue one on my OnePlus 7T. It's just great, man. This is the truth right here. So if you're looking for a skin, remember to continue to check Sopiguard.com. These should be launching very soon. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Take care.